Ladies and gentlemen, let's give
3D games became more like movies. High polygon characters and environments, soft shadows and post-processing effects, like high dynamic range lighting and motion blur, became the norm thanks to advancements in ATI hardware and Microsoft DirectX. Environments of unparalleled visual fidelity were made possible. Models of ancient ruins created with 15 million polygons of precision. Imaginary worlds brought to life so realistically you'd think you were standing on the street in Boston. ATI's implementation of Shader Model 3.0 gave developers ways to express themselves like never before. Creative freedom unleashed. AMD's implementation of Microsoft DirectX 10 and tessellation brought definition to 3D worlds. AMD's second generation unified shader technology brought incredible real-time scenes to life with breathtaking characters and effects. Things only got better with Microsoft DirectX 10.1 as AMD graphics enabled improved visual quality and performance in games. Last year, AMD shocked the world with true cinematic realism in real time on the first ever teraflops graphics chip. So ask yourself, are you ready for what's next from AMD?
Gives much higher detail. So let's talk more about the history of tessellation so you understand how we got here. Actually, ATI first introduced let me talk about some of the key innovations that we've had at AMD over the past several years and what it means to DX11 hardware. So when we talk about DX11, why are we so excited about DX11? It's a new application programming interface. It brings forward something called compute shaders. And that's the ability to unlock the massively parallel capabilities of the graphics processor in different ways, in some cases for graphics, but other things like video processing. There's a new instruction set. We'll go from Pixel Shader 4.0 to Pixel Shader 5.0 for games. And those are the triangles that I'm talking about. You can see on one side, the red triangles, that's without tessellation. And you see that mesh of green triangles, that's with tessellation on. And hence, you get the much higher quality. Now note, this doesn't impact your performance. It's all done dynamically through the tessellation unit in the GPU. Of course, as we move forward, it's just not about